We wake up to the songs of the lovely bird. It is praised and blessed when carefully heard. A fluttery little creature with yellow angel wings circles around it as it continues to sing. Droop your head and join your hands for these elegant days as the sky gets lit up by the blending colors of the golden rays. Rabbits and squirrels hop and pass, up on the tree or down on the grass, behind the bushes or on the trees. A number of monkeys you may see, deers, elephants, and giraffes near the lake, with croaking frogs and a slithery snake. A beautiful picture in one frame, found only on a planet having Earth as its name. At night, under millions of stars, crickets screech to make the night sound calm. This is when owls hoot and big cats hunt in velvet paws and spiky claws. This shows God's artistic side, displayed to us with glamour and pride. A gift from Him is a gift for all, big or small and short and tall. Love it and care for it too, 'cause God is the one to make a beautiful you. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the collective term for the full variety of life on Earth. Many think of it as the total number of species, but it is actually more complex than that. It's about the genetic diversity within species, the diversity of habitats, and the large biological units known as biomes, such as the coniferous forest biome. Without biological diversity, there is no other life on Earth, including our own. Even though we are often oblivious to it, this diversity of life is what provides clean water, oxygen, and all other things that end up being part of our diet, as well as clothing and shelter. It provides a lot of psychological benefits too, which are not much appreciated. Sustainable development. Sustainable development is a principle of meeting human development without the depletion of natural resources. These two things go hand in hand as biodiversity is sustainable. But how? To use biodiversity in a sustainable manner means to use natural resources at a rate that the earth can renew them. It's a way to ensure that we meet the needs of both present and future generations. As the human population increases, so does the pressure on ecosystems since we draw ever more resources from them. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity where each species, no matter how small, all have an important role to play. A large number of plant species means a greater variety of crops. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all life forms. First, I think there needs to be a major shift in perception from thinking of nature as something with a fence around it in the middle of an expansive, human dominated landscape as opposed to thinking about embedding our aspirations in nature. It means restoring vegetation along watercourses and putting natural connections back into the landscape. So when species begin to move and respond to climate change, there is actually a way for them to do it. The Convention on Biological Diversity, which was signed by 150 governments at the 1992 Rio Earth Summit, sets targets to halt the loss of biodiversity. Over the last 25 years, we have seen the amount of increased protected area in the world grow impressively. The current set of targets, the Aichi targets, are pretty ambitious. Looking ahead, the big challenge is the 2020 conference of the parties to the Convention of Biodiversity in China, which will set the next set of targets for the next decade. There may be a reluctance to have ambitious targets because it is not entirely clear how well we will do on the current ones. But you never know.